This past year, we saw what a world with climate change really looks like. It was just a preview.
We're reaching a very pivotal moment, and it's hard to see that the most powerful people aren't doing anything.
It is definitely scary to have to think about what things may look like in 10, 20 years if nothing happens.
Serious opportunities for young people to get involved in climate. I don't think we're anywhere near what we need. My friends did AmeriCorps and they had to go on food stamps. Is that something that's going to be attractive to people? No.
I always think that equity could be highlighted more in climate conversations. We are talking about it, but I think that the facts are established. There is environmental racism, and I think the next thing is what are we going to do about it?
We have this opportunity to bring the youth perspective to what this program might look like, and overall just how we can improve society.
I don't know their past experiences. I don't really know most of them at large, but I can agree with the things they say very wholeheartedly, and it is very inspiring in that aspect.
A policymaker could also facilitate this, and then also from there have a better idea of what work is being done, and also a better idea of what gaps there are in their community.
I think today has really taught me about how there's so many different lenses that you can look at this and how it impacts the world in so many different ways.
Listen to communities and what they need.
Everyone has a different stake in it, so everyone has a voice.
The climate fight underscores that we are all in this together, and it's either we're gonna have to all beat it together, or if everyone's not on board, it's not gonna get done.